Yo, what is up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and in this quick and short video I'm going to be showing you an updated video on how you can make drafts on TikTok. The process is pretty straightforward and simple, so let's just get straight into it. I'm going to open up TikTok. Now, to create a draft you need to create the TikTok video using the TikTok camera or uploading it from your camera roll. So you can either tap on upload to upload from your camera roll, or I'll just record something real quick. So we can have a look here at just how exactly we will do this. So that should be fine. Now I'm going to tap on the tick mark at the bottom right hand corner. Now you will just edit your TikTok video however you want to edit it. So add your sounds, text, stickers, effects, everything like that. When you're done everything, tap on next. And now you can add your description, hashtags, mentions, videos, tag people, all that good stuff for a TikTok video. Now when you're ready to make it as a draft, you can tap this button here that says drafts and not the post button. So tap that button that says drafts and that will go and be saved as a draft. So now if I go to my profile, you can see here that I have one draft, and if you repeat that process you'll have the number go up to 2, 3, 4, and then you can tap on your drafts and then select the one you want to use and then make any additional edits that you want to make, and then you can post that. So if I tap on this one right here, you can see I can just go through the editing process and then post it as a live TikTok video. So I hope this helped. If it did, don't forget to drop a like onto this video and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.